Hello, everyone. This is Calvin Russell, CEO and founder of 850 Club Credit. Hope everyone's doing well today. Today, we're going to talk about how you can find the best credit card for your current credit score. All right, let's go straight into it. So for those who don't know, CardMatch has been out for quite some time. They actually trademarked it directly by Bankrate.com. And Bankrate's known for giving the most updated interest rates and mortgage calculators, especially back in the day. But they actually own creditcards.com. And a lot of people don't know that. But either way, the reason why they came up with this is to make things a lot easier for people who are looking for that next credit card, but they're not 100% sure, if they're going to get approved or not. So one of the best ways to do it is to use CardMatch. Okay. And with CardMatch, and I'll put the link down at the bottom just to, instead of you guys Googling it, because a lot of people have come up with their own CardMatch, different companies, I should say. But either way, how Bankrate's CardMatch works, it is a soft pull too. That's what I love about it, is that you don't have to worry about getting a hard pull. It takes your information and it essentially looks up everybody that has sent you, let's say, credit card offers in the last 30 to 60 days. Why that time frame? Because credit changes, right? So you can't go too far back, like 90 days or 120 days. So 30 to 60 days. And then they compare. You can compare those credit card offers based on, what credit cards are available or what credit cards best fit your current score with your current credit report. So I think that's pretty dope. Instead of you, kind of just throwing darts, on the wall and then just kind of say, okay, you know what, I'm going to choose this particular card, or I'm tired of getting denied, for certain types of cards, which ones should I be seeing? So it asks for very basic information. But what I love about it is that you don't get that hard pull. Eventually there may be the hard pull to actually finalize the application, but to see what your options are, it's a soft pull situation, and they play it very safe. So you may see some common cards there, but these are ones that they feel that there's about a 95% chance of approval. So I'll put that link down at the bottom. And they also have other cards as well too. So if you guys are looking for different types of cards in different categories, matter of fact, I'll just put it down in the description in general. So if you're looking for credit cards for bad credit, good credit, balance transfers, if there's something specific that you're trying to do, and these are top companies and you're working directly with them, so you don't have to worry about someone stealing your information. But they've been out for years and they trademarked the actual phrase CardMatch. So they've been doing this for quite some time. I still recommend it to our clients, but I'll put the link down at the bottom so you guys can actually see, in the description, because this is YouTube. So either way, if you like this video, like it, you want to share it. And as always, be sure to subscribe, as we have nothing but great content on the way. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day.